Hello, my name is B. Daly, and I am a program manager here at the College of Continuing Education at CSU Sacramento. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your SacLink, how to log into your MySacState account, and how to log into your Student Center. Once you have completed your CSU Apply application, it takes about 3 to 5 days for your new CSU Sacramento student ID number to be generated. Once your new student ID number is generated, you will receive an email from your program coordinator that outlines your new student ID number along with directions on how to create your SacLink. Once you receive this email, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the CSU Sacramento homepage, which you'll see here. Once you're here on the homepage, you'll want to locate the looking glass, which is here. You'll click the looking glass, and you'll see this menu pop up on the right-hand side. You'll then click MySacState. You will then be brought to the login page. Now, since you still need to create your SacLink, from this page, what you're going to do is click Manage Password. You will then be brought to the Password Manager. From here, you'll click Verify Your Account. You will then be brought to the SacLink creation page. From here, what you'll do is you'll go to the Create or Verify Your Account. You'll want to input your last name and the student ID number that we provided to you in the email. Now you will see here that there is the option to input your Sac State ID number or the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. For the purpose of creating your SacLink, please make sure that you use the new CSU Sacramento student ID number that is provided to you in the email. And then you will put your birth month and date. And you'll click Verify Your Account. Now, since my SacLink is already in existence, this is the page that pops up for me, just verifying my SacLink information. However, when you pull up this page, what you're going to see is a creation page. It's going to give you multiple options for your SacLink. You'll see here that my SacLink is V Daily. Now, if there are multiple students at Sac State with your name, the system will give you options. So for instance, if there were multiple V dailies at Sac State, it would give me the option maybe V daily, V daily 1, V daily 2, but there will be options provided to you, and you will select one of those SacLinks that are provided to you. The creation page will also include a section for you to select security questions and input your answers, just in case you're locked out in the future, and you'll also create your password. Once you have input all of this information, you'll finish the process and your SacLink will be created. Once your SacLink is created, you will go back to the CSU Sacramento homepage. You'll go back to the looking glass and select MySacState. From here, you will input the SacLink that you created along with the password. And then you'll click Log In. From here, you will be prompted to select one of the authentication methods. For me, the authentication will come directly to my cell phone. Once you have authenticated your login, you will then be brought here to the MySacState homepage. The MySacState homepage is where you will see general updates concerning the Sacramento State campus. On this page, you will access Canvas, which is where you will access all of your courses throughout the duration of the program. You will also access your Sacramento State email account. If you need to request any updates to your account pertaining to changing your name, resubmitting a CCE information request form once it has been removed from your account, or requesting changes to your financial aid after it is finalized, you'll be able to access forms for these requests here in OnBase Forms. And then there is the One Card section. One Cards are Sacramento State's student ID cards. This section will provide you with information about One Card services and benefits. Now from here, in order to log into your Student Center, you will first click Go to Applicant and Alumni Portal. Then you will click Student Center under the quick links. You will then be brought to your Student Center. While you are going through admissions, the primary area that you're going to want to focus on here in the Student Center is your to-do list. This is where you're going to see any items that are being requested from you by different departments on campus, such as financial aid. Once you have completed all items that we have outlined for you to complete admissions, we will formally admit you to CSU Sacramento. Once you are formally admitted to the college, you will then have access to the academics and finance tabs. The Student Center is where you will be able to register for classes, view, accept, and decline any financial aid that is offered to you. I will be going over how to register for classes and how to view, accept, or decline any financial aid in a separate video. So that concludes this video. If you have any questions or run into any issues when creating your SacLink, logging into your MySacState account, or logging into your Student Center, please contact your program coordinator for assistance.